Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, if you're using a Samsung phone and if you want to record a specific phone calls or specific numbers, not all calls, just a specific numbers, then in this video I will tell you how you can do it on your Samsung phones. So first, obviously you need to open a phone app. Then after that, just click on three dot over here, then click on settings. Over here you will find an option called record calls. You just have to click on that, then turn on auto call records, auto record calls, turn this on. Then once again you have to click over here, then you will find all this option. Then you have to select calls with specific number. You have to select over here, then you will find a new option, numbers to auto record. You just have to click over here, then you can add that number which you want to record. Okay, you just click over here and add the, you can type that number and you can add it. Okay, then whenever that person will call you, the call will record automatically. Or you can do it just simple, click on contacts over here, and you can select from here also. Okay, all the contacts, just for example, just select the contact you want to record, then click on done. It's done. Okay, now just go back to your home screen, and now whenever that person will call you, the call will start recording. If this video was helpful, give a like and subscribe to my channel if you have Samsung phones. Bye.